What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the Goodwill. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. I can confidently say I don't know if I've ever been to this Goodwill. I'm in Hamden, Connecticut. Let's see. All right, first things first, I see a whole bunch of media. Oh, Poirot. Some of his stuff is worth money. Acorn Media can be okay, $5. Stick it in the cart, look it up in a little bit. Let's see what else they got here. Charlie Chan collections are $8. I don't know about that, but there's a bunch of them. So, oh, here we go, an Agatha Christie collection. I love seeing all these collections. We're gonna scan them in real quick. Oh, there's more Poirot. So I'm gonna scan everything in and we'll see if we have stuff in the cart after. All right, so I was priced out of all the box sets. They were just priced a little too high. So I did find some things though that were just regular DVDs that do pretty well, all at $1.99 each. I'll pop some prices up here so you guys can see what I'm working with. Some pretty decent profits there, as well as a CD box set, Tip of the Freeburg, the Stan Freeburg collection. No idea, but that has some good value too. That one's $5 though, but it's still worth it. We're gonna grab all of this and keep looking around. All right, guys, I checked out the electronics section and I actually found two pretty cool things right here. Pink is half off today, so instead of $8, it's only $4. And these things are great. These Panasonic auto stops, KP310 is the model. You can see it right there, KP310. I'll pop the price up, but I was selling these for $25 to $35. Hopefully they're still going for that. So at $4, that's a score. And then something I never really pick up, and this is pretty good, a Sirius XM. It's brand new inside here. The box is super damaged, so I have to sell it as used. It's $10. Take a look at that price. Not bad. I think I'll make like 20 bucks on it or so. So I'll definitely spend 10 bucks on that. And then I came over and I saw the toys. So the very first thing I grabbed was something I'd never seen before. Castle Panic, I think, for $3.99. Awesome, awesome, awesome. $4 purchase. It's definitely worth it. It's going right in here. Let's see what else we can find on this shelf. I'm sure there's still some cool things. I see a brand new sealed puzzle up here. Might be good. Oh, the seal's ripped on it, and usually these kind of puzzles don't do that well. Sour Apples to Apples might be okay. I've never seen that. What else do we have here? Some Guess Who games do really well. I don't know if that's one of them. What else do we have? Ooh, headbands. Headbands usually do really good too. So let me, I'll pull something out and I'll scan it for you guys. What is this? The Office. It's kind of Legos, but kind of not. But you build the office. It's almost like Mega Bloks. I'll scan this, and this is interesting. I've never seen this. Alright, so what I'm using is the Amazon Seller app, and we are gonna hit this in and see what comes up. Nothing. Yeah, I didn't think so. I have no idea what this is. It's cool, but we'll put it back for now. Oh, here's another. It's kind of like headbands, but it's head hints. The Descendants? I don't know. I don't really have luck with the Descendants. Where was that other headbands game? I want to scan that one in. Oh, well, here's the Guess Who. Let's see if this one's any good. I don't think so. This looks like the newer version. All right. Got the barcode up. And, yeah, it's this one. Used goes for 12. You'd make 5. Not worth it. I'll put it back. All right, I'm down here on the floor, and I pulled out this Scrabble Onyx Edition. This thing's huge. They're asking 12 bucks on it, but it's massive, so I scanned it in. And take a look at this. Here it is on Amazon selling for $122. Holy moly, you'll make 92. That's a score. That's going in the cart. What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store. Monday morning. They're actually open 7 days now. They're open on Sundays, so hopefully they stocked a little bit the day before. Should be interesting to find out. Let's see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. Those are the tags on sale. Red, green, yellow, white. Red, green, yellow, white. All right off the rip, video games. Not crazy, but yellow was what, 50% off. Red, green, yellow, white. And it looks like that's what everything is, yellow and white. So 50% off of these. Still, the prices are not great. Oh my gosh, $250 for this. I love this game Pure so much. I actually pre-ordered this game when it first came out. That's wild. I think I already have it though. Yeah, okay, nothing great there. We'll leave those. We got some media back here. What do we got in the Blu-rays? Ooh. No. Don't see anything crazy in the Blu-rays. At least I don't think so. No. No, it looks pretty lackluster. Alright, it looks like Lawrence Terry Liebling wrote a book, The Alchemist's Lost Treasure, and didn't sell very well. Maybe it's worth something on Amazon, but they're all here at $1.99, and what isn't white 50% off, so $1 each, originally 26. I'm gonna look it up real quick. Alright, I just scanned it in, and it is selling for 26 bucks. You'd make 13 each on it, which is not bad, but that rank over almost 6 million. It's gonna take a really long time to sell all of these. You might be able to buy one or two and make some profit, but I'm not even gonna do it. It's just not worth it. And there's one person selling it. It's probably him himself. Nothing But Blue Skies Publishing. I bet you it's the publishing company. So yeah, we'll leave them. All right, check out some of the toys. There is this old PC game right here, Barbie Horse Adventures, still sealed. That's kind of cool for $1.99. It is a PC game, but oh, look at that old Toys R Us sticker on there. That's cool. We'll take it for $2. I also ended up grabbing a couple things right here. A Risk and Castle Risk game for $2.99. These sell for like $40. And then Stratego, Lord of the Rings. I think this was only $2 also. It feels kind of empty though. It's $3. It feels like it's missing pieces, like, or maybe the whole game board. I don't know. I'm gonna have to cut into it and check soon. Well, look at this cute little guy from Soul. This little plush. $5, but it's 25% off. White's 25% off. So what's like $4? Not bad. A little less than $4. Here he is selling for, it looks like 19. You'd only make 7. You'd only make about $7.80 minus your $4. So you'd make about $4 on it. But Amazon's in at 23. So it's actually $3 to $4 more than that. Because there's no other FBA sellers. So in reality, you'd make like 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe a little more, maybe like $8. You just throw them in a poly bag, ship them off. It's pretty quick, easy money. He sells fast. I'm taking them. All right, you guys want to see something crazy? A sealed Star Wars Episode 1 Monopoly. $25 though. It is 25% off, but look at this. The seal is ripped. There you go. You kind of see the ripped seal right there. There's mold growing on the box underneath. Top corner is completely crushed. The back is ripped. So there's no way you could sell this as new. What a shame, because at $25, fit 25% off is not terrible. You could definitely make money on it if it was sealed, but with that box damage, you gotta leave it. All right, these look kind of cool. Only $2.99. Was blue on sale? I already forgot. This is crazy. They're all brand new with their tags. All these different ones right here. 4 different styles, 5 different styles. I mean, you're in them $3, less than $1 each, about 70 cents each, maybe even less. I'm gonna grab them all. You can maybe make little bundles on eBay. I have no idea. Maybe I'll sell them on Whatnot. I really don't know, but at less than $1 each, I don't think you could go wrong with brand new. People love these big-eyed Thai beanie boos. Well, these are beanie balls. I've used to sell these on Amazon all the time. I scanned it in and I couldn't find the exact one. But again, at less than $1 each, I don't think you can lose, so I'm grabbing them all. I did grab some other things in here. I grabbed a random toy bundle, 2 of them, $4 each, but they have a whole bunch of these Roblox guys in them. There's some cool Scooby-Doo people, so that's cool. Some Skylanders in here. I don't know. Figured at $4, it'd be fun to go through these eventually. Did I grab anything else in here? Oh yeah, I grabbed an Othello game that does pretty well. Oh man, these things are great. I'll have to show these off later, but these Lord of the Rings board games sell incredibly. I've sold them before for, I think maybe this one for like $30 to $50, somewhere in there. I think these are $2 each. And then this Avengers, this Iron Man right here, this Iron Man at $5.99 is not bad. Alright guys, I have been loading up the cart. I sell these things all the time, these quarter maps. Remember these things? They were pretty cool back in the day when you'd collect all the different quarters. But these maps still sell very, very well for me. At $3, I'll pop the price up. You guys can see. I think they're under the book category on Amazon for some reason, but hey, I'll take it. Elephant, I sell these all the time also. The rank is kind of high on this one. There's different models of these. $3.99, not bad. I usually get around $30, $35 on Amazon. eBay, I'm sure it's a little bit less. And then I found this right here, a Samsung 4K HD upscaling Blu-ray player. Kind of cool at only $10. I think it's brand new. I have no way of fully knowing. I might have to cut into it, but I saw two sell on eBay for over $100, so I figured I'll just take the gamble. If I have to cut it open to show that it's new in there in the pictures, I'll do that. It is what it is, but at $10, that's a no-brainer. Grabbed a couple other games. I don't know if I already showed those off or not, but hey, games are games. So I'm pretty stoked with the cart so far. Now, they do have two Bose Wave radios. I'll show you guys. All right, there's some electronics. Here they are, right here. These two Bose Wave radios, they're $50 each. If they don't work, they sell for parts between $30 and $50 on eBay. If they do work, if they have the little multi-CD thing, which these do not, they sell for well over over $200, really. These don't have remotes or power cords. I don't know if they work. $50 is just too big of a risk. If they were 20 bucks, I'd grab them no matter what. Even 30, I'd probably grab them. You could buy remotes for $10 each, and if they work fine, I have the remotes, I get some power cords, I might be able to sell them on eBay for like 100 and something, maybe 150. Now, these sell great on Amazon, and I've sold a few of these on Amazon literally 2 months ago. All of a sudden, I'm restricted in Bose. I cannot sell Bose on Amazon right now. So I'm going to have to get ungated. I don't know why. Another thing was this Bostitch stapler right here, Bostitch. $4. It sells for like 40 on Amazon, but again, randomly restricted in Bostitch, even though I've sold that brand before. So I'm going to have to figure out what's going on there. If I wasn't restricted on Amazon because they sell for $50 more over there, I'd probably grab them. But right now, I have to leave them. Same with that. Yeah, so I don't know what's going on with Amazon lately, but lots of things I was scanning in this entire trip were popping up as restricted for me, even though I've sold these items before in the past. Let me know if you guys are having this issue at all. I don't know why it's happening. Things that I've sold just a couple days ago, I'm now restricted in. No issues with my account, no issues with anything. I have no idea. And seller support is never very helpful. So, hey, it is what it is. Hopefully you guys still enjoyed the video. I still found some really cool stuff. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.